Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. See you inside. Island's Best Kitchen, episode 9. So we're gonna go inside and we're gonna try their new trending plantain burger. I think it's jerk chicken plantain burger, I'm not sure. But we're gonna go try their plantain burger, so I'll be back. Some ham original. Boom. So this meat is homemade from home. I add my special ingredients in there. It's a secret, I can't tell y'all what it is, but it's delicious. Put all that seasoning in there. There's stuffing in there. There's for the Jamaican plantain burger, which I call the yard burger. There's like a special jerk seasoning in there, and then yeah, that's about it. Ground beef itself, 100% beef, straight from Alberta. You know we got the best beef. Yeah. So once I put that down in there, I just grab a cover it up, which that's what we're about to go do right now. Oh yeah, we got the mothers. Nah, I mean, we got Marie, we got Auntie Sherry right here. We just take this, slap it in there, let it steam up a bit. You know what I mean? Give that a quick second. So right here, we got the plantains already prepped, ready to go. So what we do, try to cut it right in between the plantain, medium size. Throw that in there. And then you want it in there for about let's say 5-6 minutes. You know what I mean? When it's nice and golden. When it's nice and golden, that's when you take it out. Yeah. From there, we grab some onions right here. Slap it on there. So right here, this is Creole sauce. So what I like to do is put some little bit of Creole sauce on top of the burger, give it a little bit of flavor. So right here, some bell peppers, and then I'm gonna throw it right on top of the burger. Yeah. A little bit of black pepper. perfection right there. Nice and golden and crispy. Island way. So once we do that, so here's the finishing touch. Plantain burgers, Creole burger, and the Yard burger. Island's Best Kitchen, it's the only place you can get this.
So we here right now, we're trying that Creole plantain burger. It's huge. It's huge. Got the Haitian flag, got the Jamaican flag, you know the vibe. So I'm gonna try it out. This is really good. This is different. It's messy though. Come. You got some pear with it. You guys can check out this plantain burger, man. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share. This thing is messy though. Look how huge this is.
Chance at Island's Best Kitchen, 11817 105 Ave. Y'all seen what I done back there. We got the Creole burgers and we got the Yard plantain burgers. Every customer is loving this right now. It's probably the customer's favorite in the city. This is the spot where to come get it. I'm telling you, you guys do not want to miss out. Every Tuesday and every Friday. Island Best is a blend of both countries, Jamaican and Haitian. Now for the Haitian side, we got mushroom rice, griot, fried pork, Creole chicken, red snapper fish, fried goat. We got Creole sauce, another customer's favorite. Now for the Jamaican side, we got oxtail, jerk, stewed beef, spook, goat. Oh wow, we got dumplings, we got festivals, and we got plantains, ripe and crispy. I started in the beginning of May, like right when COVID started. Came with the idea, called up Rome's, my bro, we executed it. Executed the plan, I started from home, started pushing food from home, and then we opened up a spot downtown for about 3 months. So basically, I'm gonna say we started out like June, 1st of June. So when you come here, when you walk through right through the door, first of all, our energy is dope. It's like up here, you feel me? Good customer service. Once you eat that food, your taste buds are gonna be buzzing. It's gonna remind you from back home.